customer happiness is more on providing outstanding customer service to our users. So we cannot make everyone happy, right? So in that sense, for our customer happiness experts, it's more on basically understanding their pain points, providing solutions, and talking to them directly. In terms of customer behavior, there's no specific level or maybe a definition of that. But what I do know is that they're very particular in terms of adherence. They're also particular on service level. Say for example, I'm a customer, I email Circles.Life. They're expecting for faster response from our experts. Regardless of channel, regardless if it's from email, regardless even if it's from chat or any other means. If you say that you will get back to them after 1 hour, they will expect that our experts will get back to them after 1 hour. What I really love about Zendesk is they know their customers. And looking at their client portfolio, one example that I can give is basically when we decided to implement chat, basically they're ready. They're ready in the sense that for Circles.Life, they help in terms of implementing it easily within our app, which is Circles Care.
I think typically the key driver for us is how quickly we can get implemented, how quickly you can adapt to changing market situations. I mean, you talked about some of that earlier of, you have legacy systems, but if you're sitting in a contact center or you're managing social engagements or chats, you need the ability to see all that data in a central place. And so we are completely open and open source and able to connect and bring that data in without having to import everything. So we can do very easy system integrations into legacy systems that are then represented in a single interface for a customer happiness expert.
I think it's built for Circles.Life. What's even good is that they're very supportive. They know our goals and they've been really supportive of that.
I think what really works for our customers is we take the risk away, right? If you're doing a big enterprise implementation, it's a long process, it's very cost intensive, and there's a high risk involved. What we do is we try and take that away completely from the customer and say, start small, it's consumption based, try it, iterate, see what value you get out of it, and then build on top of that. So it's completely modular, as John alluded. You can start with core ticketing, but then you can add social channels, you can add chat to it, you could add WhatsApp to it. So you can effectively start to connect with your customers wherever they need to be, and that can be on the web, it can be by phone, it can be built inside the mobile application. And so we provide all the components that let you do that very easily.
The game has changed now, and for Circles.Life, we're taking it up to the next level in terms of contact reduction. On my own perspective as the head of customer happiness, I believe that the best customer service is for users not having to contact the company at all. I think that's one of the guiding missions that I had as of the moment, and we're taking it up to the next level.
I think if you look at, I'll call it progressive telcos like Circles.Life, the focus is really not on traditional long-term contracts that bind customers. It's really on how do I provide a much higher level of customer service, and that way keep my customer loyal to me. And I think globally that is changing everywhere. So you can't lock people in to long-term contracts without providing service. Service is becoming the key, and the contract's becoming secondary to that. And that's, I think, across all industries.